Waiting, Waiting, Wishing by Jack Johnson is played in standard tuning with no capo. So we're going to start the song with 2 muted strums. So we just put our left hand across the strings but don't apply any pressure and strum down up. We then go to an A power chord and we strum down, down, mute. So we then go to an A minor 7 chord. We're going to strum down, 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 down. So in total, mute, mute. A power chord, down, down, mute. Then the A minor 7, down, down, down. Then we have another muted section, down, down. So the whole thing slowly. After the first time through the A minor chord, we're going to miss the first 2 strums every time because they're tagged onto that last little muting on the end of the bar. We're going to move down to a G power chord and we're going to do exactly the same thing. We go from a G, only this time we go to a G7 dominant chord. Okay, so we've got the G power chord, down, down, mute, to the G7, down, 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 mute, mute, mute. Exactly the same thing for an F, start on the F power chord, go to an F7. Then we move to a C power chord. Exactly the same thing, move from a C power chord to a C7. So different voice in there, but still a C7 chord. And that loops for the entire song. So the A power chord, go to A minor 7, G power chord to G7, F power chord to F7, C power chord to C7. So. The chorus uses exactly the same strumming pattern. It's actually a little bit easier to play because we're going to get rid of the muting strums and we're going to stay on an E chord, go into an E7, and an A minor chord, go into an A minor 7 chord. So we start on the E chord and we're going to strum down, down, down. Second beat there, we have a little accent. And take the 3rd finger off and go to an E7 chord for the rest of the bar. And we're going to strum down, 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 down. A little accent on the 4 there as well, so that sounds like this slowly. And that's exactly the same for the A minor chord in the chorus as well. We start with the A minor, down, down, accent, 3rd finger off for an A minor 7 chord, down, 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 accent on the 4. So we've got 2 bars of each for this. So E, there is one other section in the song's little bridge section. It uses the same strumming as the chorus, so no muting or anything, but the chords do change. So the bridge starts with the C major chord. We're actually going to keep the C the same for the entire first bar. So we've got the strumming down, down, accent, down, 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 accent, down. We then move to an E major chord and we're going to do the same here. We're going to keep the chord the same throughout the entire bar. To an F chord. We're then going to move up to a G bar chord, up 2 frets from that F there. We're only going to play this for 2 beats though. So down, down, accent, down, up. Before we move back down to the F, down, down, accent, down. Okay, so far you've got the C, E, F, G, F. Then go back through the C and E and F, and this time G for a 4 bar. So the whole bridge slowly: C, E, F, G, F, C, E, F, G. For more Jack Johnson tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching this one. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.